Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the shop. I wasn't able to hang out with the guys this weekend, but a few of them got together to get some more stuff ready for Classic Hondas on the Dragon. Yo, we're back in the hill again today. Fellas came over, we got some more prep for Classic Hondas on the Dragon. Things that Nate's doing, he's switching out his wheels. We got our boy John coming from Raleigh. He's coming to switch out some interior. We're really just prepping the last final things. We got the crew helping everybody out and what little bit they got left. Getting ready for that tour. Getting ready for Classic Hondas on the Dragon. While we wait for John, we're gonna switch Nate's wheels out. Check out Nate's wheels.
John's over here cleaning up each stud, a little bit of Brillo Scotch-Brite pad, WD-40. Gonna throw these wheels up, man. These things are gonna look sick. On the ground for the first time with the new joints. Wow. Already was wonderful. And now it's just more wonderful.
What's up, man? What's going on? John's here. We're gonna switch this interior from tan to black. And if you remember a few episodes ago, this interior is from the Integra that Mark and Nate got. All this black interior came from that red Integra. What was that? Was that a GSR or LS Integra?
An LS.
Yeah. We're about done sweating Nate's new wheels. We're gonna get John started, everything out of his car, and see what we can put in new. Already got that black carpet though.
Hear that? Interior going on in one car, and John is gonna go over there and get on Nate's door seal. We got the ones out of the Parks Integra. They were in really good shape. Nate's a little squeezed, a little tight, a little weathered, and these boys is over here wrenching. I didn't come to wrench today that hard. Just kidding.
Is that my my relay for my kill switch for my alarm?
I mean, it ain't in the way.
That's right there is because if you don't make your payment next month, they coming to get this motherfucker.
That's his DUI box.
Time I started.
He said, damn, you still paying on this GSR?
I think it is. But save that.
Whoa. Let's go this one.
Sorry.
Well, just about there. Gonna put the steering wheel on, let them take it for a little rip, make sure everything's good in it. Yo, the Madspeed tour to Classic Hondas on the Dragon. We've talked about it. We know at 7 o'clock they're leaving Wilmington. At 9:30 we're leaving Raleigh. At 12 we're leaving Winston-Salem. At 3 we're leaving Glade Springs, Virginia. And at 6 o'clock we're at Airport Honda for the pre-meet to Classic Hondas on the Dragon. You get there, you see us on the Dragon. We are on 129. You'll see the big trailer, you'll see some cars. We'll probably have a tent up right on 129 on the north side of the Dragon. If you see our trailer, you see some guys outside one of the cars, stop by, get some t-shirts, or just say what's up and give us a stay mad.
There is an Instagram group chat for the tour to Classic Hondas on the Dragon, so make sure you join that. It's the Madspeed tour to Classic Hondas on the Dragon 9, and we will see you out there. But until we see you on the next one, or we see you there,
Stay mad.
What's his name?
But we're gonna.
Nate, what are you gonna do on the Dragon, man? You gonna kill it out there?
I'm gonna take it easy.
I don't know what to say.
I'll tell you what. I wish I had this shop size right here. This boat's in the way, man. Sell the boat, buy more Hondas, James. Put that on the internet. Everybody comment if James should sell the boat to buy more Hondas.
Alright.
We're gonna throw that dash away. It is in very bad shape. Cracked, split, done. It had
Morgan here watching himself on TV all day.
Look, I'm on both of them.
Tanny Flannet, and then our
Statement.